Are you among those people who try to lose their weight but they have also lost their hairs along with their weight loss? Friends, if your answer is yes, then this video is for you.
Health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupen and I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert and I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 30 plus age people of India into happy, healthy, immune and to have a great body. That's why I have created a book, Know Your Fitness, which will help you out to give you a boost to start your health journey. Friends, hair loss is very common problem among those people who are losing their weight with the wrong ways. Although their weight has been increased again, but still the hair loss problem is still into them. And today I will be discussing this thing with you, that what to do and why this thing usually happens. Friends, I still remember that around when I was around 26 years old and currently I'm 38 years old, and on that time when I went to a gym, and on that time a gym instructor has told me that you should consume only one type of food now, whether a protein or whether a carbohydrate. So you can eat as much as you want to eat. So what I chose the carbohydrate. So I have decided to have vegetables along with the rice, and it was my particular diet. And the thing which has started happen after 3 to 4 months, my weight was not decreased, but I have faced the problem of hair fall into my life. On that time, I was not that much mature enough to take care of my life. Also, it was the depression time of my life. But the problem of hair loss is, you can say in Hindi, usually say कि it usually we say that the कि गांव बसा नहीं और चोर लूटने पहले के लिए आ गए. I even haven't lost my weight till now, and still I'm facing the problem of hair loss. So on that time I did not have any idea. That's why my gym journey was not continued for more than 8 to 9 months. And from since like that time I have not did anything else, and I try to protect my hairs with some herbs, with some doctor's medicine and all those things. I will be discussing those things later on in this video, that what I did for the first time when I got this problem. But it was not a good time for me because it was giving me some kind of a depression, and I was not happy because on that time I was unmarried, and I really wanted to have, we all love our hairs, and specifically if being an influencer and being a fitness freak person who was facing the problem of obesity, the hair loss was not the good information for me. So that's why I thought, what should I do? So if you are also facing this kind of a problem, that your weight is not losing but your hair is losing, or you have lost your weight and along with your hairs, then I would like to give you the 3 things which you need to change now. The number 1 thing is this, that you need to stop taking crash dieting. What do you mean by crash diet? The crash diet simply means that you require a calorie requirement to survive for your metabolism. What do you mean by metabolism? Metabolism simply means the energy which is utilized by our brain, our heart, our internal organs to survive. So if your metabolism, even if you're not giving that much kind of energy to our body, on that time our body fights against us, and that's why hairs are the first part of the body which our body does not need. So that's why body stop giving energy to your hairs. So you need to concern about your diet. Eat good diet. Feel free, feel full, feel happy about your food. Eat that kind of a food that you don't even have wishes to consume outside food. This is my suggestion to you. The second thing which you need to do, that consume protein diet. I don't know why so many people are afraid of consuming protein, and why so many vegetarian people thinks that they don't have the protein into their diet. As of now, we are living in a 21st century, whey protein, brown rice protein, plant-based protein, peas protein, tofu, seitan, soybean chunks, and the rajma, chickpeas, sprouts, lentils. The list is enormous, and still they are saying at times they say that the vegetarian people don't have the protein. So if you have a lack of protein in your diet, then my friend, I suggest to you that you should consider protein into your diet. And normally a person requires around 0.8 grams per kg of protein. So if a person who is 100 kilogram, he or she require around 80 gram of protein for a normal survival. Consider this thing, protein. The third reason is the vitamins and minerals. Vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B12, potassium, zinc, and lots of minerals, iron. These all are some of the building requirements of our body, which we usually don't get from the food in a proper vitamin B12. So once we reach an age, especially if we are more than 40, then I suggest to you to supplement yourself with these vitamins. Vitamin D is a kind of a vitamin. More than 70% in India facing the problem of vitamin D deficiency. That's why they have the problem of skin and bones. So friends, these all are the important vitamins which are really important, and they work at the time of our body immunity requirement. And zinc and potassium are one of the most important minerals which our body should have. So you need to consider this thing. And how you become deficiency into this? Just because of the poor diet schedule, and you watched a YouTube video and you applied the YouTube video into your life, that how to lose 5 kg in 5 days, and right now the consequences are your hairs. So friends, now what the first thing which I did to take care of this thing, that I started with the amla. I started with the raw amla and it worked wonderfully. I literally was able to see the new hairs was coming into my scalp after consuming amla continuously for 3 months. Because my hair falling was because of the poor diet. That's why amla has helped me out. And even today also I consume amla at times. Amla also comes in a liquid form. Patanjali amla is a good form to do. Friends, the second thing which you need to consider for your hair fall, include the protein diet. As of now, I take protein diet into my normal foods. I don't eat junk food, and I'm really happy. My wife is happy. My child is happy. So friends, include this thing into you. And the third thing is this: go and check up with some kind of a skin doctor or the hair specialist. And there are some kind of a medicine which will help you out, like Mintop 0.3%, Mintop 0.5%. These all are some of the medicine which I apply. These are the outer spray which usually help out for the time. They usually take care of your time, because let's say if you are going to get a hair fall in your life in the age of 35 or 45, they increase the time more than 5 years, 6 years. So these all are some of the things which I also did. I also applied, and I'm 38 years old and my hairs are like this. So friends, you can also do this thing, but nothing can replace your diet, your food. So be considerate of this thing, and always remember this thing, that the dieting workouts is the art. It's a skill which a person must learn, which we usually don't learn in our school. Friends, if I'm connecting with you any of this, and if you're looking forward for some permanent solution of your fitness, and you want to create your own diet, and you want to learn the skill of dieting, and how to do the diet, and how to do the specifically the diet which gives you the result in a faster way, with a fit way, and which will repair your metabolism also with the help of the reverse dieting, keto diet, intermittent fasting, then you can connect with me through my webinar. Usually I conduct my webinar at Sunday at 11 a.m. Link I'm giving you in the description. Feel free to contact to me on my link and join my webinar. You are most welcome. In my webinar, I will be sharing with you the 3 top secrets to lose your weight. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and be happy without any reason, and stay safe at your home.